What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about how I caught MINM this morning for a 20% gain from 472 to the 560s. Let's go ahead and dive into it. So as you know, today was a little bit choppy out there. A lot of opportunity was lacking. So we stayed super picky today. Had another green day, the third green day of the year, third day of the year. So 3 for 3 this year so far. Staying disciplined, staying picky, and prepared. And MINM this morning was the one that stood out for me in small cap land on our scalp alerts. I said that I was in light size at 472, risking 445 with the range to 550 and 6. Now, let's go ahead and dive into how I knew this was going to make that move today, why I liked it. Let's go ahead and get into that. So, as you can see in pre-market, we've kind of formed this base here off of 445. Let me go ahead and get my pin tool up here. And you'll see that 445 was super key as a base for that curl back up to the highs. So, this 445 right here was super key. And as you can see here, we started to have this bit of a little controlled pullback. And what you've got to understand in these big gappers, it's all about watching how these things pull back for continuation. If you want to play continuation, you want it to be a controlled pullback, right? And as you can see here, we had a nice, easy, controlled pullback. You see it was pulling back, bought back up, pull back, bought back up. So we were playing it in this bit of a little megaphone here on the way back down. So as we always know, our main primary goal risk to reward wise is about 3 to 1. That is my minimum. That is my goal. That is my baseline for an A+ setup. And on MINM this morning, from entry at 472, risking 445, we had a 3 to 1 risk to reward. As you can see here, a 3.07 to 1 risk to reward to 550. So it was a perfect setup risk to reward wise. We got that exact move. But what you want to note here is the controlled pullback, right? We gapped up on high volume and we just started to pull back on lower volume, a super simple controlled pullback the whole way down. Alerted the entry off of trendline support after we were nearing the base here from earlier on in pre-market around 8 a.m. at 445 for the curl back to our daily range, which you can see daily range here. If you look at the daily, we had pretty clear range to the 6, right? Now, the reason why I said 550 is because that was the previous high of day at 550. So we had 550 to 6 was our range here. On the daily, you'll see if we drag this over, you'll see that range to 6 here. And that's really all she wrote. So really simple setup here. Really doesn't get much easier. 550 and 6 were super key. So that's what my range was here. So looking at past areas on the chart where price found sellers, we were using that as our range at 550 and 6. And we got that move here from 472 to 550. And again, my entry was 472 just to meet my risk to reward criteria, which as you can see here, played out to a T. Was able to scale some out at 490, 493, 496, 505, and eventually took the rest out at 560 from 472 entry. Overall, a really nice way to start the day. Really quick breakdown of this trade, but super simple. We also had some good trades today on QS. Let me go ahead and drag this down here. QS was fantastic, but not really a whole lot in the market today. Kind of a smaller, slower day, but all in all, a really nice, easy week so far. Hope you guys had a great day today. Make sure to claim your 5-week trial in my bio today to learn more like this and to watch us trade live every single day. To also get our nightly and pre-market watch list, our buy and sell alerts every single day, weekly classes, and all that jazz. Have a blessed rest of your day, and hope you guys had a great day today. Bye, guys.